Well, Nature 102, I guess. So, in this area, there were a lot of milkweed. I was going to check on them, and they got destroyed. Someone cut the grass, and there was a lot of them here. And I'm right by, or kind of near the Actinlight graveyard, and I was going to check on them, and look at that. I don't know if, oh, people, and then on the outskirts here, there's a lot of them, and oh my god. Well, there's some here, maybe there's some life here, but oh my god. Yeah. Oh, it just irritates me. There's a lot of them here, like around the roundabout. And then the old highway, it's right over there somewhere. So, yeah, I'm not impressed with people who cut grass when milkweeds are there. And I know it's kind of hard to cut the grass because, you know, they grow here. But not impressed with them. So I'm hoping there's no eggs on them. But I'm going to try to see what I can find. But not impressed.